It will vote for me.
Meghalaya TMC President Charles Pingro has categorically denied forming government with the BJP in the state. Although he said in case of hung assembly, the party is ready to work with the like-minded parties in the state. However, senior BJP leader and national executive member of BJP from Meghalaya, A.L. Haque, said that the doors are open for TMC and other political parties. BJP will form government with like-minded political parties and non-corrupted parties, he added.
Coalition has to be formed, and that coalition will be formed with like-minded parties who share the same ideologies and the same vision for the state of for the state of Meghalaya and its people.
Since we are contesting in all the 60 assembly constituencies, so we have a potential seats almost 35. So halfway of the 35 we are going to get this time. BJP's doors are always open.
The report. The maximum